take his picture. Can you believe that? With the woodchuck, marmot, whatever you want to call him. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Yeah, how you doing, buddy? You let me take your picture, huh? Good boy. Yeah. You all right? You like a hummer? Huh? Come here, boy. Well, you don't scare easy, do you? You're a pretty boy. Let me get you. Whoops, I shouldn't have moved. Let me pull forward a little bit and get a side view. Yeah, you're just a brave guy. All right, buddy. Are you gonna take off? You gonna run? All right, see ya. Let me turn this off and I'll leave you alone.